Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on keyboard and mouse on PS5. First, let's get your peripherals connected. Simply plug your USB keyboard into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console. Then, take your USB mouse and connect it to another open USB port. Make sure both are firmly in place so your PS5 can recognize them without any issues. This is the essential first step to enhancing your Roblox experience. Now that your devices are connected, let's fine-tune your PlayStation 5 settings. From the home screen, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select Accessories. Here, you'll find options for both keyboard and mouse. Adjust your keyboard's typing speed and delay to your preference, and for your mouse, customize the pointer speed and button functions. Taking a few moments to set these up will significantly improve your gameplay. With your settings optimized, it's time to launch Roblox. Open the Roblox application from your PlayStation 5's game library. Once you're in a game, you'll find that the keyboard primarily handles character movement, usually with the W, A, S, and D keys. Your mouse will then control the camera, allowing you to look around and interact with various in-game objects. Remember, specific game controls might differ, so take a moment to get comfortable. To truly master playing Roblox with a keyboard and mouse on your PlayStation 5, here are some final tips. Don't hesitate to experiment with your mouse sensitivity until it feels just right for you. Many Roblox games also offer keyboard shortcuts for quick actions, so explore those. For the most responsive experience, consider using wired peripherals to minimize any potential input lag. Finally, practice across different Roblox games to fully adapt to this new and improved control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.